Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and first and foremost, Happy New Year. Good. We're going to start our brand new year with a love bite, it seems. And these are, of course, general collective readings. Libra will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And newbies, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Libra, 10 of Wands in reverse, okay, 7 of Pentacles in reverse, the Emperor in reverse. Oh my god, so many reversals. Except for the 4 of Swords, which is in the upright. Oh, 10 of Cups in reverse. Somebody is not happy at all. Somebody is not happy at all. They feel dumped. They feel dumb. They feel their person is not investing any time, any energy, and it's been such a waste of everything. Because if somebody is very angry, somebody feels they've lost their power here. Feeling very demotivated, not feeling happy at all, feeling ashamed and embarrassed, or maybe knocked off their high horse now because of their petty behavior. But there is still, I don't see remorse, I see more anger at having lost, a beautiful thing. So Libra, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards, okay? Libra and their person, Spirit. Libra and their person, thank you. And Libra, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Libra and that person, just a couple more, Libra. Libra and their person, thank you. Alright, Libra, let's start your reading. The first card here says, I know that you stalk me on social media and use other sources to gather information about me after you've chosen to ghost me. It's so not cool. If you want to know anything about my life, you should step up and be involved in it. This could be the other person dealing with an Emperor in reverse, who's, yes, they are gossiping, they are spying, they are trying to get information through just petty behavior, I would say. It's really insulting when you try and control the situation and withhold information. You're underestimating my intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and must be forgetting how connected we are on soul level. You know that I'll always know what's going on because even your higher self tells on you. The love I have for you is a deep reflection of the love I have for myself. I found all the fragmented, broken pieces of myself when I met you. You mirrored my wounds so that I can look deep inside of myself and heal from within. This connection can feel out of balance when I try and reassure or overgive to you. I realize that I have to give to myself, and then that you will master self-love. So I guess you guys have triggered each other to learn some very important lessons here. I wish that you were here or I was there. I wish we could be together anywhere. My family doesn't understand our connection. I've told them how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about, and I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. There is a huge void in my life since you've been gone. I want to restore your faith in me. All right. So Libra, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. Of course, I'm going to take an angel blessing card before we begin. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra. Oh, I got two. I just need one, Spirit, please. Just one card for Libra. Blessing. Yeah. And the card I have here for you is You Found It. Well, I think one person has now recognized their soulmate. I don't know, maybe a bit too late when they've already lost their chance here. Okay, here. Okay, Spirit, so what's the Ten of Wands in reverse and the Seven of Pentacles in reverse? There's no communication between the two of you. Neither of you want to be the first ones to message. One more. There was such an opportunity here. There was such an opportunity here. There were romantic feelings. There was the feeling that this is my soulmate. I think one or both of you always knew that this is a very strong connection. But maybe somebody didn't want to take on any burden of a commitment. They just wanted to leave it, romantic and flirty. They did put in the investment. Somebody didn't put in the investment, and because of that, communication has been absolutely stopped. Not even a message, not even a Happy New Year, from what I feel. So, Seven of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Wow. Well, now somebody's made a choice. Somebody's made a decision now. They do want to work on this connection desperately wanting to come forward now with a romantic offer maybe, or wanting to offer everything after this period of no communication, or feeling that their person has dropped them, is no longer investing in this connection. Somebody's woken up to this connection and feeling, oh my God, this is my happiness. Now this clarity here. This is my person. Why was I wearing these, blindfolds and these swords? I don't think there is any confusion anymore. Somebody does want to work on this connection big time. But then, Spirit, why is the Emperor in reverse? Even now, why is the Emperor in reverse? Because they are scared. They are so scared because they took too long. They just stood around waiting, not taking action, not investing. Maybe they were being prideful, or they were trying to be controlling. Now they are going through a major tower moment. This tower moment is making them go right into their feels. Everything that this person was trying to control is escalated to a point where they're about to burst. Feeling, what did I do? What did I do here? So scared. So, Ace of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Wands. Yes, now they don't know how to take action. They have made the choice now. They are no longer confused. The choice is like clear, absolutely. This is the cup I want. But now the worry is, I have already created so many bad memories. I never offered any brand new beginning in the past. Now they don't know what to do. They don't know how to take action. Maybe in the past they were more, interested in the passion side of it, or they were behaving like a player or something. So what's the Sun card then, Spirit? Sun card in reverse. This person is not happy. This person is not happy at all. They don't want this connection to end. But I have a feeling they fear that their person is now single, and they have a lot of maybe competition for them. Give me one more, Spirit. Why is this person unhappy? Because things have totally stagnated. Now they feel like a fool, basically. They feel, oh my God, all these mind games I was playing, I became the loser. Look at my person, they're glowing. They have so many people after them. They may have already started a brand new life elsewhere. That thought is making them feel they've been totally knocked off their high horse. Maybe this person thought that, I have my person in the bag now. Six of Swords in reverse. Yes, somebody called their bullshit. Yes. Somebody is feeling embarrassed and ashamed because I think their person called it out. They called their bluff. This is what I'm getting. They called their bluff. You want to, not give me equal give and take. Well, it seems you want to juggle me. You want to breadcrumb me. Guess what? You don't want to move towards me. I'm fine with that. I'm very strong, right? That's said by the Queen of Swords. I'm very strong. You want to play me? Come, come, play me. Because I'm going to call your bluff. So, Page of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yes, this is for somebody to go into all this petty gossip and, whatever this person did, immature behavior. Because this Queen of Swords has called their bluff now, it's forced this Emperor in reverse to go into reflection. They could be unwell, I don't know. And in this time out that they are by themselves, reflecting on what has happened, the more they think about what they lost, I think the more they're realizing the intense love they have for that person. Give me one more card, Spirit, for the Four of Swords. Yes, now they want this brand new beginning. They want this. Look at this. They want it so bad. But this has only come after they've been in hermit mode, in their reflection time. Now that they've been called out, now I think the roles have been switched. Then why is the King of Swords in reverse, Spirit? Why is the King of Swords in reverse? Yes, I just said it. Didn't I just say it? They are so angry. They're so upset. They don't know how to clear their name now. They don't know how to now go back and tell this Queen of Swords that I've changed, or, I do love you now. All this has happened because this person has been put into, isolation or hermit mode, and the realizations that they are getting now about their non-investment in the past is giving them so much burden. Maybe earlier they left this Queen of Swords out in the cold, right? Now they are feeling the same way. It's almost like a switch has been flipped. Give me one more card, Spirit, for the King of Swords in reverse. Oh my God. You know what they want to say and they can't say? Libra? This could be you, because this is a sword. Swords is a air sign symbol, right? What they really want to say is, hey, can I please come back? Can I please come back? I still have so much passion for you. I'm willing to offer you everything now. I mean, all the three aces together. Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. That's all this person wants is, please come back to me. This time I'll give you everything. Except somewhere they feel, why is the Ten of Cups in reverse, Spirit, as our overall energy? No, their guilt is stopping them. Their guilt is making them mad at themselves. They're so angry and so upset at themselves. This is guilt, remorse, sadness, seeing the past and seeing how they probably kicked these cups and, spilt all that love that was available for them. Now they found it, but now they're feeling it's too late. This Queen of Swords has called their bluff and moved on. Yeah, because Queen of Swords is actually getting a big pat on their back from the universe to say, hey, you showed strength. Now you become the Empress. An Empress never chases, and that's what's really frustrating this Emperor, who was always in reverse, getting really upset that, hey, now I have to do that. And that's the reason. Even now, I don't think there is any movement. There is still a bit of anger, upset, not knowing how to come forward with an apology, how to, give that love offer. So that's where you guys are at. So anyways, Libra, we'll go more in depth on Tuesday for your love read. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Libra.